place round Lindros Road, what me here saying no paperwork for. No know if I truth. Me here say the mayor down at Kingston and St. Andrew. We have a recap. Me here say the mayor down at Kingston and St. Andrew lock up the market up a Constant Spring. Me never see that in my life. But anyway, Labour right, that's why me tell you, so when election call, you go out, go vote. Wally Power in Kingston and St. Andrew did not vote. You did not come out and vote when in a local government election. They are no yard upset because you say this, you say that, you say this, you make PNP win the municipality. So what I'm told you now, the mayor down a town and dash no goods and seeing that market pound there. You understand? That is why you must voting is very, very important. Without a vote, you don't stand a chance. I hope when the election is called a couple months from now, we come out in our numbers and send Mark Golding, Peter Bunting, Dayton Campbell a very overwhelming message. So there's no say, then time come and gone long time. So the roundup is Mark Golding not give the people in my jungle nothing. For Christmas, only one Christmas carol. In Mr. Garden, under investigation by the Integrity Commission, in still no step aside. We still no hear from Mark Golding, no press conference, no statement from the civil society group, no article in the Glean up on the front page. We want to know what go on this so. We don't know what go on this so. That's two. Third thing. So, okay, so we talk about Mark, talk about the Integrity Commission, and we talk about the market. What again we not talk about, guys, because I don't remember. Munchie, you live, and you don't even get nothing. The reason why you don't get any notification because I not come live here long. They know say so TikTok here. TikTok have me up because I not come live here long. Guys, but I don't know, so sometimes I don't feel like the mood to come live, you know. Oh, and congratulations to Madam DPP. Go on back to your job, mama, because you deserve it. And you, Andre Stevens. You, Andre Stefano, shit in a plate, Stevens. Who live in the one piece of all house, it's up like a barrel. Who run there cook a glaze pig still in a dirty pan. And a be black cake, black like coal. Me hear say you're the pan your life at about, oh, no justice to the Jamaica, you're going to left Jamaica, you're going to start the way you do and left Jamaica. We are going to left Jamaica and go, Andre. Which country you going to go? You don't even have a passport. You don't even have a bird paper because your mother show you and McGregor go to show your bird paper with you. Where you going to go? Look here, rest off of the DPP because you can't walk in the DPP yard slippers. You, Andre Stefano Stevens, you cannot walk in a Madam DPP yard slipper. You don't have no class, no character, no nothing. So rest up off of the lady talk about no justice. What can you talk about justice about? I bet if they go the other way, justice would have day here. The last time when the PNP led judges that was put in place by PNP and the PNP put out the wrong findings. It was fine with you. But when the sensible judges don't want to go down in the integrity and explain to the people of Jamaica why the law was banned and why the law makes sense, you know, but I want to hear that again. That is the reason why, on behalf of the members of the Jamaica Labour Party, we are telling the government we will never go to the CCJ. We, the member of the Jamaica Labour Party, will never agree to go to the CCJ because anything what the PNP put together, we not trust it. Anything that Percival Noel James Patterson is a part of, we the people of Jamaica do not trust it. So we are not going to the CCJ. Absolutely not. We will stay with the Privy Council because we know when we go to the Privy Council, justice will be served. Because the PNP judges, where the PNP put in place, they put out wrong findings and they're supposed to be constitutional judge. And then get the finding wrong. They get the finding wrong. And the appeal court judges, them the one that make sense. And I say we never see one judge chastise judges before. And the appeal, when you go and read the little finding when she put up, come and read it. She chastised them, you see? She said them was wrong and misguided. That is, we will not go to the CCJ, my love. We will not go to the CCJ because we not trust the PNP judges them. We don't. Because they not follow the law. The appeal court judges was perfect. They said the law is binding and Miss Madam DPP is qualified to get the extension and she can go back and go work her 2 years and all is well. We're not gonna see CJ Mark Golin. We're not gonna see CJ. So if since you don't want your whole country ransom because we don't want got the CCJ, you don't want to leave the king, we will stay with the king. We will stay with the king because we're not going to know CCJ. And one last thing, guys. Me and Matley come to Jamaica with you. Come, labor right, you know see me and Matley? The PNP bring out me and Matley to Jamaica with you. Oh, and by the way, speaking of me and Matley, comrades, let me tell you something. The Barbados have a newspaper named Barbados Today. You type it in on Facebook and follow the page. So you can see what go on a Barbados. Comrades, Barbados have a newspaper. They could have gleaned them for them one named Barbados Today. Type it in on Facebook and follow the page so you can see what go on a Barbados. Because you guys have the impression that gold line the street in a Barbados. You me tell you no? You guys are of the view that gold is lining the street of Barbados. You have it so wrong. You have it so wrong. Eh? One me say they have one name, the nation. Yeah, man. Follow the one we name the nation or the one we name Barbados. So look what go on a Barbados. Look and hear the cry of the Barbados people and the me and Matt. Like, I don't think say go line the street of Barbados, is man. You know, go and go read it. Go and go read it. Okay? That's all me I go say. Because I not bring down Barbados, you know. I not bring down the country. I make you know, so you go and go read it. Because you have the view, so Barbados people are live good and are living a goal over there. And we Jamaican, Jamaican people are live 100% better than Barbadian. Me not ask you know. I see me with my own eye. You know how much one bread in a Barbados? You know how much one bread in a Barbados, comrade? Eh? You know how much money for one bottle of water in Barbados? Eh? No go sit down, man. No, me not have to tell a Jamaican girl. Go and go look because if me tell you no, you go say a lie, me tell come here labor. Me tell you the source. Unlike you know, always spin propaganda on no source. Me tell you my source. Go up on Facebook, type in Barbados Today, follow the page, and you will hear the cry of the Bajan people. Hear the cry of the Bajan people about their living condition. Or them a ball and say they not have nowhere to live and them need housing or whatever. Remember, say 400,000 people live in Barbados, you know. And Barbados people not a ball say they not nowhere to live. We don't go and go read it to yourself. And me not talk about SSL. Type in back the Ponzi scheme in a Barbados and read about for them Ponzi scheme what happened in a 2024. Comrades, type in Ponzi scheme. Just type in Ponzi scheme, Barbados, and hear about the company of Barbados who take the people $1 million and then can't get back the money. When I talk about SSL and Andrew Holness. I mean, hear nobody in Barbados I talk about the foolishness like you don't have no sense. You not have where's the 200,000 people live there and they not know where to live, king. 200 because they not have no housing trust over there. Barbados not have no housing trust where government build house. A private sector build house over there. I'm not joking, man. But anyway, me not bring down no country. So back to me and Matley. Me and Matley come to Jamaica with you. Reason me talk about her? Because she come to Jamaica with you. Comrades, me know say enough I want to listen to me and Matley speech because I worship her, you know. You know so me and Matley fix the PNP? In comrades? You know, so me and Matley fix the comrades and call them anti-government and propaganda people and people who are tear down government. A PNP should attack, you know. A PNP should attack. And she talk about all COVID-19 set back the Caribbean. In comrade, me know so no hear that. Me know so no hear that. Me know no hear she said, COVID-19 set back the Caribbean and set back Jamaica and Barbados. Me know no hear that. Me know so when you no hear me and Matt talk, me know so no say Lord know that we call her over here for. Cause she fix you know. She fix you know. Because when the want her, if you come with her doom and gloom and negative, the woman attack not. As a matter of fact, the speech when me and Matley give, it could have go for the whole country. I don't know, say me and a woman when me like. And the speech that me and Matley gave at the forum, carry on, the speech could have go for the whole country could have listened to it. Oh, it was positive. And oh, she talk about positive about the country and positive about Jamaica. And oh, she talk about proper things. Oh, she talk about crime. She talk about climate change. She talk about the amount of rain we are falling in the Caribbean. She talk about the fact that US caused the war in the country and all the war in the world that affect the Caribbean. That's supposed to burn on in, comrade. That's supposed to burn on when time, comrade, me and Matley are talking. Be positive things you talk about. She not bring down Jamaica. She not bring down the cap. As a matter of fact, the lady come with cap in hand. I never know how that live to see the day when the great Barbados come and turn into Jamaica for help. Comrade, you don't know how you could have live to see the day when Barbados ask Jamaica for help? Type in the chat and tell me. Type in the chat and tell me, comrade, if you don't think would have lived to see the day when the great Barbados want to worship so much and ask Jamaica for help. Me and Matley's speech suggests that every Caribbean country add $100 to every ticket, every tourist will come in the country, and we can use the money to fight climate change. Wow. Me never know say me could have lived to see the day, King, when the great Barbados I turn to we the Jamaica country and the PNP Trinidad say send message come ask if we think say them at ATM. You remember? You remember and the PNP or Trinidad send message come ask we if we think say them at ATM? Or we shame? I mean live to see under Andrew Michael wholeness. The Caribbean Barbados, the great Barbados for the PNP worship. I ask if we collaborate with them to help them for secure funding for climate change. I me never know say me live to see the day when me and Matley ask we say to hurry up with the deal where every Caribbean country people can go and free market and free travel when people can go and stay long and live and work and live together. And the PNP government Barbados no want win them country. Under the People's National Party, comrade, Beja no want we over there. Trinidad no want we over there. I mean, live to see under Andrew Michael wholeness. Me and Matley come to Jamaica if you can talk about Michael Manley. And she used 90% of her speech pleading to the government of Jamaica to hurry up with the free market and the free trade. Because the country need people. Wow. Who could it be but Andrew Michael wholeness? Who could it be but Andrew Michael wholeness? Under the PNP, Bajan people hate we. I mean, live to see. Me and Matley come down here if you can give speech about Michael Manley. And if she talk about Michael Manley for 5 minutes, 90% of our speech was about bringing the Caribbean together and working together and securing funding for climate change. And partnership and asking say the private and basically me and Matley ask our private sector to come over Barbados to invest in the country. You know, hear that, comrade? When she say the Barbados is making it easier for private people to come and invest in the country. Who could it be but Andrew Michael Owens and the Michael Manley, the private sector and the medical class people gone for one of the firefighters they can Michael Manley said if you go on. And Andrew Owens build back the economy and make it friendly to investor and friendly to the private sector. And me and Matley come to Jamaica and asking the private sector of Jamaica if it come in a Barbados to invest. Who could it be but Andrew Michael Owens? In comrades? Who could it be? That's why I'm telling you, say we can't put in Mark Golin because Mark Golin not invest in Jamaica. Mark Golin invest in Bahamas. Mark Golding Company invest in Bahamas, not in Jamaica. While Mark Golding Company proven is investing in low-income housing in Bahamas, Mark Golding people in a jungle still a bed outside. Andrew Wallace people on a Pienland still a use pit toilet. Anthony Hilton people on a Riverton still a pick up food out of the garbage dump. Under Mark Golding led PNP. Under the People's National Party, private sector flee the country. Under the People's National Party, Omar Davis and PJ Finn sacked the country and private sector lost too much money. And me live to see comrade me and Matley go on plane and come to Jamaica and is now asking the private sector of Jamaica to come to Barbados to invest in Barbados to help build their economy. Tell me, comrade. Tell me, talk to me, comrade. One bright comrade who can explain this to me? One bright comrade, can you explain what happened in the past 8 years? Me never know say me could have lived to see that. Me never know say me could have lived to see Jamaica being the flag bearer of the Caribbean. Me never know say me could have lived to see Jamaica as a country where people like me am back in the PNP days. Caribbean country no want it, then yay, see we. Caribbean country no want it, then yay, see we. Because Omar Davis and Percival Noel James Patterson balloon the debt. Then go to New York and borrow money for high interest rate. And when they come to Jamaica with the money, we don't swear they use the money, don't they take the money and then do what they want to do for their family and friend and take the rest. And then couldn't pay the teacher them. We have to borrow money to pay the teacher them. We have to ask private sector to pay the teacher them. Then couldn't pay the nurse. Then couldn't pay the police. We couldn't build no school. We couldn't build no hospital. We couldn't build no road. We couldn't pay with senior citizens. We couldn't take care with senior citizens. We couldn't take care with indigent people under the People's National Party. I mean, live to see under Andrew Michael Holness. That's why, guys, me I left 11 o'clock. Let me tell you this from now. We need to, every labor right, we need to go out in our constituency. And the one in the diaspora, we need to touch base with the people in the community where we're from. Call the MP, call the councillor, call the cluster manager, call the people that want to know the ground and say, what we need, what more we want, we enumerate people, we talk to the labor right, then the government program. Government does so much programs. The government is doing so much programs. No labor right now supposed to have, but they now vote. The government is doing so much program. Hard program, spark program, part program, everything. The government is doing so much. No labor right now supposed to talk about, oh, they now not, they now have this and they now have that. Get up off on no ass and go look it. Get up off on no ass and go look it. Sweat off on no brow, no shall eat bread. Don't follow the special PNP. Them will love special in a cup and love orange shirt and 3,000 in a cup. Get up and go out and go look it. I mean, I talk about cost of living. Cost of living is high everywhere. Cost of living is high. Make you think American people vote out Joe Biden. What is the number one reason why the American people say they vote out Joe Biden? Because they can't buy food and they can't buy gas. That is the number one reason why the American people voted for Donald Trump. And we can't wait for Donald Trump come. What is the number one reason why the people of Canada said they will get rid of Justin Trudeau? Because cost of living and housing crisis. So cost of living is high every single year. So when nobody talk about cost of living, because cost of living high, but when you look up a Price Smart and the police have to detour traffic off of the road, because Price Smart full, supermarket full, down a town full, every delivery place full, everybody gonna call it a Sheen package. So we don't understand when I talk about cost of living and people still a buy. Auntie Dana Nyambad Kate then still sell off. Munchi, please assist the MP up by banks. We need every vote up there. What kind of help the MP want up the grandmother? Me know so what kind of help the MP want up at the Mavis Bank Division? The problem up at the Mavis Bank Division, grandmother. Send me a request. The problem up at the Mavis Bank Division is that, you don't remember where we now come from. You don't remember the days of the People's National Party or we suffer under PNP. That is, me not understand what else. Me agree. Every night me come on the platform and me tell you no, me agree say the roads are in deplorable condition. Me agree say the road them want fix. Me agree. But if PNP win the road, they still not fix. The road they still not fix, grandmother son. If the PNP win the East Rural St. Andrew place today, the road not fix because me born up there and me go school up there and me live up there. And for the 18.5 years where the PNP up there, they never fix the road. They never fix the road up there. They never build a training center. They never build a training center. They never build a community center. They never build a computer lab. They never build nothing. They don't run water. They don't do nothing up there. PNP don't do nothing up there. So yes, me agree say the road bad and the road them want fix. Me admit that. And Mrs. Holness knows say the road bad. Mrs. Holness knows say the road want fix. Benji knows say the road bad. Benji knows say the road want fix. But PNP has never fixed any road up there. And that is the only crime you have up there, the road. Because you can't say, no say Benji when you don't want nothing. The farmers, them can't say they in and no need. The young people, them know say heart is there. If they want to go heart, they can go heart if they want. If they not help, the MP, there's program in place where you can get help from the government. Part program did they. Program did they for old people. All them have to do is make them grandparents sign them up for go upon it. Only problem me see up there is the road want fix. Only problem in the Mavis Bank division is the road and want to fix. Nothing else. That's only the road. And Spark, exactly, Spark program is going on. I'm sure she's going to fix the road up there. And the people in the Mavis Bank division, grandmother's son, they don't want government to cut their land. Because they're very, very bad man and full of bad ways up there. You know that too. You know that too. Entire years a road for fix, then I want to drain panel, no dig panel land, then I want to water run panel land, and entire you make a drain and take the water off of the road. As soon as the government gone, then turn back the water upon the road because they claim to say the water mash up their land. Because you know they worship land up there. You know they worship land up there. The next thing, them a ball but they want road for fix and then don't want government to cut their land. Then don't want no tractor pan to touch their land that they can carry the road with them, the land with them. So yes, me agree. I'm not gonna be a hypocrite and say road up there. No road not up there. No road not up there. Me agree. But the people, remember say Mr. Pickersgill say Jamaica will be pothole free by 2003 now. And me no know we still have pothole. Remember around Angela Brown-Burke constituency, Pumpkin and growing a road round there now. Remember when a Mark Golding constituency, road no fix round there? PNP not fix road and PNP no do nothing. In a Oliver Clough days, Jason, Oliver Clough no fix no road. Not the Mavis Bank division. The only time the road fix up there so is when time Joan Gordon Webley was a member of parliament and she was a member of the Jamaica Labour Party. The PNP has never fixed any road up there. Jason Jones is from Maryland. So Oliver Clough fix road in Maryland, Jason Jones? Because me never been to Maryland. Me can only tell about the Mavis Bank division. PNP no fix no road up there. They no fix no road. And exactly, Mrs. Honest make one garbage skip. Mrs. Honest make one garbage skip in a Mavis Bank Square. And the people then carry the garbage. And throw the garbage right round the skip. Outside, you know. Outside the skip. And no garbage in the skip. You can't teach people cleanliness, you know. Cleanliness is next to godliness. And you cannot teach people cleanliness. Me can show it, Alain. Me can go up there and video it and show you. There's a big skip in a Mavis Bank Square where Mrs. Holness make up there. And the people at Mavis Bank Division, before they throw their garbage in the skip, then throw the garbage round the skip outside. They don't throw the garbage in the skip. Me tell you so then stay. Then now use it. I hear Jason say, one garbage skip there Maryland too. Me don't know if none there Montreal, because a long time I don't go to Montreal. But then now use the skip. And when the road fix, When the road is fixed, garbage trucks will be going to Mavis Bank to pick up garbage. When the road is fixed, garbage trucks will be going to Mavis Bank to pick up garbage. When the road is fixed, JUTC buses will be going to Mavis Bank to carry school picnic to school. When the road fixed, all of that will come. All of that will come. See, grandmother's son say, Miss Owens fix the road too. Of course, she fix the road. But the problem is that the people of the Mavis Bank division are turn back the water upon the road because they don't want the water in their panel land because they claim to say the water mash up their land. What government must do about that? What government must do? Government cannot do nothing at all about that. My garbage outside for 1 month now in Old Harbor and all know it's still there. With young billionaire, we don't pick them up back and go eat them. You can't pick them up and eat them, you know. You can go pick up your garbage and eat it. You know why? I should never address it, but me address that one topic here where you say. You know who responsible for collect garbage, young billionaire? One labor right. Type in the chat and tell young billionaire whose responsibility it is to collect garbage. Please, labor right, because unlike the PNP, we're not done. Please, one labor right, type in the chat and tell young billionaire whose responsibility it is to collect garbage. And instead of not tell him that, we'll tell him who around the St. Catherine municipality. Please, me no want to do it because you hear say me a labor right. Me tell him for me. Somebody, please me a beg you. Type in the chat and tell young billionaire whose responsibility is there. Which body is responsible to collect the garbage. I just want to tell him who run the municipality where the garbage when send or collect the amount. Tell him who run it, please. Can you hear say me a labor right? I made this, I made that. Take him out on in misery for me now, please. Take him out of misery for me. Because you see, PNP people, when you not come for my life, when you know say me not only come for talking and me come for speak facts. That's why that's why the PNP hate to see me come in. That's why the comrades them hate to see me come in. Because me always come with facts. Tell young billionaire whose responsibility because you go talk about garbage out of your house 1 month. Go and go call Mayor Scott. Go and go call Mayor Scott down a Spanish town. Mayor Scott is the laziest mayor in Jamaica. Mayor Scott, Mayor Mitchell, Mayor Swaby, one run a St. Mary, worse. All of the municipalities that have been run by the People's National Party are in deplorable condition. All the municipalities that are being run by the People's National Party is in deplorable condition. So you come to me live and talk about your garbage and pick up for 1 month. Go and go call Mayor Scott, Papa. Go and call Mayor Scott. That is his responsibility. You must know when I do when I vote. No one I do when I put on an orange shirt and I collect $1,000. No one I do. When you collect $1,000 when in February and go vote for the council out of by the man they will win. You never did know something in get to the garbage collect. Don't talk about garbage out of all about no collect for 1 month. That's your business. Take them up back and put them in your house for your veranda. Take up back the garbage, put it in your house for your veranda. That's what you vote for. That is what you guys voted for. You come and distract me and talk about all about garbage no collect. Pick it up back, Papa, and carry it in your room. Yeah, man. Him come in, make him put it back in your room. Talk about garbage no collect in a what? None of it collect. None of it collect. That's what you vote for because you guys continue to put in Mayor Scott as the mayor. And Spanish Town is the dirtiest city. Spanish Town is the dirtiest town in Jamaica. Crime, garbage, rat, extortion. That is Spanish. That is the legacy of Mayor Scott. And you continue to vote for him. No PNP you no like. No PNP you no like. A PNP you no like, you know. That's why you keep voting for Mayor Scott. The laziest mayor. Mayor Scott and the mayor down at Westmoreland and the mayor down at Hanover. Them people, let me tell you. Them the people there. Is the first I see so much garbage. It's the first I see so much garbage downtown. It's so many years downtown is becoming a... Yes, downtown is becoming a pigsty under Mayor Swaby. Downtown is becoming a pigsty under Mayor Swaby. And when Mayor Williams was there, the PNP people them call the radio station and tell Cliff, say the place dirty. And Cliff with him big mouth, oh, Kingston is dirty. Kingston is dirty. Kingston is nasty. I know you nobody a call Cliff, although I'm not listening again, but I know you nobody a call Cliff use a talk about the condition of downtown. I know you nobody a call Cliff use a talk about the condition of downtown under Mayor Swaby. And Mayor Swaby love do, thank you, Kerry. And Mayor Swaby love do, I take picture. Mayor Swaby is a profiler. Mayor Swaby is a profiler. He's about taking picture. Mayor Swaby is about profiling. He's good for a good picture up. That is all him do. He don't. Mayor Swaby don't do nothing. Nothing at all. Kingston is still dirty. Papin Market is still nasty. No, we're not. And what is Mayor Swaby legacy? Nothing. Mayor Swaby is just a profile. What are that the people they want? That's what the people wanted. That's why they're voting Mayor. They keep them putting the PNP in the municipality. Nothing to show. Nothing to show. Mayor Vernon is the, when you, if you should do a hearing review, if we should say of all the mayors in Jamaica, who we have put first place, Mayor Vernon Fandonga Montego Bay, best mayor. Best mayor. Montego Bay clean. Montego Bay look good. Stay good. Smell good. You still have the dirty nasty PNP people them down at the market when I keep themselves properly. But the best mayor in Jamaica right now is Mayor Vernon down at Montego Bay. He is the best mayor. He is the mayor with the plan. He is the mayor with a purpose. He is the mayor that is putting the people at first. He is the mayor that clean up Montego Bay. Mayor Vernon. That man is working. That is the man that is working. Mayor Swaby is all about a nice picture. Not more. Nothing more. Nothing. And me hear say sentence be a clean up because me never want to talk, because the labor they don't like when me talk the truth, but me left sentence alone. Me left sentence alone, JLP media, because me talk about sentence and no cost me. Me left sentence and St. Elizabeth alone, because I know me already say sometimes I'm out boss, so me no want to go there. You understand? Me left St. Anne alone and St. Elizabeth alone. Because sometimes I'm out boss and the labor right me start get upset with me. But me can't talk with Montego Bay. Me can't talk about Mayor Vernon. We talk about investors in the parish. We talk about garbage collection in the parish. We talk about delinquent PNP people to pay up them taxes in the parish. We talk about taking down billboard. Taking down billboard. We are nasty up the parish. We talk about cleaning up the market. We talk about putting up signage. Talk about Mayor Vernon. If we have 4 more mayor, like Mayor Vernon, Jamaica is on the right track. If we have 4 more mayor like Mayor Vernon down at Montego Bay, Jamaica is on the right track. If we have 4 more member of parliament like Action and PNP no smell back Jamaica land we love. If we have 4 more member of parliament like Action and the People's National Party don't stand a chance. Because you see, Action and is not about beautiful speaking. Action and is about groundwork. You never see Action and she have a flip-flop yet? You never see Action and she have a flip-flop on her foot yet? The woman always have on her clothes because the woman knows it. I walk, she a walk. The lady always have on her clocks because the lady knows say a work, she come for work. The lady knows she have to climb hill. The lady knows she have to jump over stick. The lady knows she have to go down in a trench. She always have on her boot where she work ready. You ever see Action and yet? In a slippers on her foot yet? That is a working member of parliament. That is a working member of parliament. And I send out a message to Fly Green. I send out a message to Fly Green. Fly Green, you need to put on your clocks and go to your constituency. Fly Green, it's a hearing review. Me now come on back for the rest of the year, guys. So I have to empty my belly. Fly Green, Put on your shoes and go on in your constituency. Me not say nothing more because the Labour they want to start call out my name in a capital letter. Flight green. Put on your shoes and go on in your constituency. All right. If we have 5 more mayor, like Mayor Vernon, young, hardworking, a man will listen, a man will take advice. If we have 5 more mayor like Mayor Vernon, PNP don't see back Jamaica. If we have 1 more member of parliament like Action Ann, if we have a member of parliament like Pernell Charles Jr., Jesus. Me hear say me nice clean MP Nesta Morgan in constituency I do whole heap of work. When a time fi cuss Nesta, no come back and cuss him. But when a time fi call me and tell me say Nesta down there work, you not call me and come in my inbox and tell me say Munchi Nesta down here work. Well, me get it from good source. Me get it from good source down there. Me get it from good labor in my inbox and Nesta Morgan down there work. And them a see him. And in touch base. And him down there and he know say without the people them in can't go back in a Jamaica house. Me say Nesta down there. So me not send out a message to Nesta. But me I send out one to Flight Green. Because Chicken Mary are the near. Chicken Mary are the near Flight Green. Chicken Mary are the near. Alright. But me hear good news about Nesta Morgan. Me hear good news about Eli Clark. Cause random people coming on my inbox and text me and ask me, Muncho, me no see you come online. Me come from this and that constituency and me not tell a lie. Nesta really change. And me say me happy for here because we not tear him down, we not tear him down. So we not bill him up, we must come over here come bill him up too. Cause we not come and give me message about him, we not give me message. So we not come give me story, And me a be a good thing me here say Nesta go away down there. And when the school bus them come, cause I want Nesta Morgan, you know, so it's when the school bus them come, and Nesta roll out the school bus them down there for the rural pitting them, for the labor right pitting them and the PNP pitting them, because children are children, we not discriminate. We're not gonna know said that man, he come from country, my country MP, he know what it is like for wake up 5 o'clock for go to school and he put in the work. And only labor right down them want to come out in no numbers. Labor right in a mucko, we want to come out in no numbers and come vote for Nesta Morgan when election is called. Because Romian can't help you know. Romian can't help you because Romian not tapanaris. Mark go in look for Nesta. See, Bridget is saying that most MP are work. Okay, Brit, me glad to hear that. Me know you know good news about the other man there when me just calling him, but me not trouble him, me know, because the coming January morning, a campaign mode, so me not come from here come cuss no member of parliament. Starting January 1st, Munchi B will not be coming live to curse any MP. So that's why me I empty up my belly tonight. Your King said thanks, Munchi, alright? Me empty up my belly. Only one person me I sound the alarm for King. Only one person I'm sounding the alarm for, and is Member of Parliament, Minister Floyd Green. Everybody else, they pan the straight and in narrow. You know, catch pan the straight and in narrow. I want him January morning to break up in folly grounds and realize that he cannot be minister if you're not member of parliament. If you're not member of parliament, you cannot be minister. And you cannot be a member of parliament if you don't win your seat. You cannot be member of parliament if you don't win your seat. And your Jamaica Labour Party can't form government if Andrew Holness is not the prime minister, if we don't win. It's first past the post. Election night, it don't make no sense. We put in all the work. It don't make no sense. The government do so much. And election night, we turn it over to the other idiot them. We need to make sure we secure the win for the prime minister. We need to make sure we give Andrew Holness in third term so he can finish the job. We need to make sure that Andrew Holness finish the job. It's like how the people of America voting Uncle Trump to finish the job. We have to make sure Andrew Holness stay and finish the job. We can't derail the program. We cannot derail the country. We cannot allow Mark Golding and a bunch of tapanaris to come in and take all of the money and take all of the investment, give them friend and company. See right now, Gleaner in a trouble. You see, any of the People's National Party win government, the Gleaner go come out of trouble because what the PNP are going to do is start funnel business shoot to back to the Gleaner. Start to run government program, start to give broadcasting, start to put things in them paper. So we need to make sure we send Mark Golding and the Gleaner and the RJR media into the political wilderness. We have to make sure we put Mark Golding, the PNP, and the PNP media into political wilderness. We have to make sure. So me no want to complain. No labor better not inbox me and complain to me not about the party. Every labor supposed to say, boy, Munchie, me know one family down the road we have been 11 labor, right? And they want this and they want that. Moving forward, only text me want in my inbox. Me want the labor right now if you text me and I say, Munchie, me know one 5 labor right down in a central Manchester and they want this and they want that. You know how to help them and so me can go tell the roader. If I do that, you not text me about, don't text me, you know want to hear it. I want the labor right if it up on me if bank for text and say, Munchie, how long the road a come, where Benji a say, where Mrs. Oldness a come, so we can talk about that. I want the labor right if you text me and I say, boy, me have a little labor right down the road in a love one little job and so. Next year, and that me want. Work time. No, me no want to labor right text me and tell me no foolishness about Christmas, me never get another Christmas work. None of that. None of that. A business time now is the time to win the election. We have an election to win. Now is the time to win the election. Put all of no differences aside. Put all of no differences aside and let us win this election. I don't ignore the Integrity Commission. Ignore the Non-Integrity Commission. Them a waste of time. Them a waste of time. Ignore them. They don't have no integrity. Ignore them. Focus. We have to win this election for Andrew Michael Holness and get rid of Mark Golding, Peter Bunting, Dayton Campbell, Ian Niels, Angela Brown Burke. Send them in a political wilderness. No labor, nobody text me and tell me no foolish, but I don't get this, I don't get that. I don't want book voucher, I don't want foolishness. I don't supposed to text me and I say, boy, Munchie, you know, say the labor right woman, they don't so, you know, she want little water. The water not come, she want a tank of water. So me can call Rhoda and say, Rhoda, the labor, because when you not text me and tell me, you know, me I go do my research and you can text me and tell me about PNP people want water and me PNP people go and go call them people who they vote for. Make the PNP people and go and go call the PNP people who they vote for. No call me and tell me no foolishness. Make the PNP people them in a central Manchester go and go call the councillor where they vote for. If you don't know my labor right family where they bought the place, want to know say they need little help, you can call me and say, boy, Munchie, or text me inbox and say, Munchie, that's such and such of a little boy who have to go to school, he have 4 subjects and he want one little help to go hard. Go, me guide him to the government program. If you know my whole woman and she want 3 sheets of zinc or 6 sheets of zinc, when you say, boy, Munchie, this old woman here, she support the Jamaica Labour Party, but she can't move around now. She want that when me don't want to text me and tell me about no PNP people. Make PNP people go and go call the mayor. Make the PNP people go and call the councillor where they vote for 4 PNP councillors in the constituency of Central Manchester. 4 PNP councillors in the constituency of Central Manchester and then don't do nothing. They not build no road, they not fix the road and they not keep no funding, no Christmas street, no nothing. Go and go call them and them no vote for. Don't come tell me about call me about road or nothing. Because we never vote for road or councillor. So I don't want no inbox to tell me about Munchie, boy, we not no water. And they no go and go call no PNP councillor who no vote for. And me don't can't take me, I don't want because I don't care. I don't work with government. I don't work with government, so no can't fire me. And the civil society group can't condemn me because I don't work with government. I can't talk anything out of my mouth. Okay? I can't say anything because I don't work with government and I don't work with road don't pay me. So I can't say anything I want to say. You can't tell me, say, I can't say PNP people not for call road for nothing calling a vote for her. I can't say that on a road say it, you don't give me no message. I can't say anything I want to say. I don't talk. Labor right, before me leave, Merry Christmas, I know me no reach 100K. What could I cause this? I want to send me no gift. Anybody, guys want to send me some gift? Send me some gift there, guys. Send me some gift. Send me some wheel and some lion and some donuts. Everybody send me a donut, please and thanks. Everybody send me a donut, comrades. Everybody send me a donut and a wheel and a roast for Christmas. Una call me every day, so I must come live. And me come live and me a left and me not have no donut, no nothing. Send me some gift, man. Thank you, Keisha. Send me some gift as me Christmas gift. I've been online how much months I talk for the party and uno no send me no gift. I me no want to tell me about me no want to come with that say ask Andrew Holness. Because for one thing we labor right, we not beg. For one thing we labor right, we not beg you like one. It's like how you see caution upon life 3 days, you know, I beg. We enjoy ourselves. We work hard. We go on vacation. We send we picnic at school. Thank you, cause we sleep in a good bed. We have one little vehicle can drive up and down. We don't live on your top like you know. Thank you, Carol. Thank you, Kate. You see that, comrade? That is labor right. Labor right not hungry and poor like you know. I see caution attack 3 days, no one not even one little rose no send caution. As a matter of fact, me see if anybody send me a request. Oh guys, you know, nobody send me a request. Alright, that is good, that is good. Petal, good night. Can me realize the company live it over tell me good night. Is what happened? Good night, Petal. Good night, Travi. Good night, Guru. Good night to the hard-working labor, right? Me realize so no depend the back. Good night, Dark Angel. Me realize you guys have been going live and you guys have been doing a very, very good job promoting the party and the policies. Maybe going to one favor, labor, right? Going into next year. Don't bring up no PNP on the platform. PNP is a distraction and a waste of time. We just need to talk about the policies of the Jamaica Labour Party. We need to go in our constituency and talk to the labor right. Make sure say everybody all right. Make sure say everybody depend the voters list. Make sure say all is well. The government policies we are roll out. Make sure the labor right them a benefit from it. Nobody with the PNP there for this 2025. Me tell you the truth. Me no want to see comrade. Don't send me no requests for the next year. Me no want to on my platform. No a distraction. No a waste of time. Go on over the PNP platform. Go talk if you don't want that. Me no want no PNP. Send me no request. Me no talking. We don't know. Go on over on the platform. No distraction. We are focused on winning the election for Andrew Michael Holness. We are focusing on securing the 3rd term. We don't want to hear nothing from. We don't want to hear about nothing. Any propaganda we don't want to spread, we don't want to spread it over here. Any propaganda we don't want to spread, we don't want to spread it over here. No go on a jungle, go spread some pain pan the house then on a jungle. Go on a pain land, go spread some mal na the pathway on a pain land. Go on down a river town dump. Go carry one go spread some garbage, some things. Go get the garbage people and down there. Go on out of Port Royal. Go spread some peace and love out of Philip Palwell constituency. That's what you need to do. Go on up a you Graham, go get the people them running water. Go on up a what's your name? The lady we are singing with Mark Gold. Go down up a Fiverr constituency, go get the people them road and light because people them up there still use lamp. Go on a Michael, oh Jesus. Go on a lazy Michael Phillips constituency. Go take the people them out of pit tight and get them running water. Michael Phillips. Michael Phillips preside over one of the worst rural states in Jamaica. The people them when they not when they which Manchester and the guys step and tell me. The people them in a Michael Phillips constituency. Them are the worst. The PNP people, them, oh Jesus, Northwest, thank you. The Northwest Manchester people, them, we have voted for Michael Phillips every time. How to do it? How to do it? The people of Northwest Manchester. You see Michael Phillips since the Christmas season rolling? The people of Northwest Manchester. Did you guys see Michael Phillips during the Christmas season? Yes or no? Because that man in a business we don't know, you know. Talking about Mr. Bazaar don't have any plan for boss entity. Who name Mr. Bazaar? Mr. Michael Phillips. That the man, the brother. In Japan, I want to see if PNP seat in half do nothing for win that they see. There people don't see him. We don't see him since Christmas rally, comrades. Mighty God. Anyway, me not talk for PNP people because I don't really want nothing much. I don't want no orange shirt or no cup of rum in no cup or no $5,000. Tell the Prime Minister to put more boots on the ground in every parish. Fitz, what do you mean by put more boots on the ground? What do you mean by that? Explain. Please. I'm here if you know what you say. Tell the Prime Minister to put more boots on the ground. What do you mean by putting more boots on the ground? What do you mean? Because, remember, you know, Prime Minister now, and a Prime Minister run every seat, you know. When they say boots on the ground, what do you mean? Police? What do you mean by police? Because the JCF is at its capacity, you know. So what do you mean? Tell me. And government not run JCF. Are the commissioner. Unlike in the PNP where Bunting used to intervene and interject and tell the police to do their work, Dr. Chan made it clear that he will not intervene. He will allow the commissioner to do his work and to put the people in where they're supposed to be. What do you mean? It's time for Michael Phillips to go. Oh, Jesus, he's now going to with grandmother's son. Nobody with it. I waste of time with Michael, my love. We have to focus on we seat up at East Rural. Grandmother's son, we have to focus on our seat at East Rural St. Andrew and make sure say Mrs. Oldness get her third term. We have to make sure because we can't put in PNP. We have to make sure say Mrs. Oldness get her third term up there. So we can't put in that demand when they say them come with Peter King. I don't know where they come with. The JLP organization is a bit slow and weak. What do you mean by the JLP is a bit slow and weak? Explain. Damien Jabbass Young. Yeah, Damien is doing such a good job, King, but I don't know why the people in States are stuck with Michael, so what? I don't know why, I don't know King what to do again, because Damien provide them with job, he help them get job, he help them go in a heart, he make the government entity then come in, consign them up for JCF, JDF, everything. And when election come, they still have vote for PNP. I don't know what to say. I'm flabbergasted. I don't know. Those people, I don't know, my love. Because I know say Damien Young at work. Speaking of work, guys, between me and you, me ear say, Mr. Man run a South Manchester do good work. I truth? Anybody on the live from there South Manchester? I don't know if I truth because I don't go around there from when I remember me know there Jamaica. Me go look. Me hear say Mr. Man doing a South Manchester. They on the ground and are doing work. Yeah, Robert Chin. Yes, King, you gonna say everybody at work. You don't live in a people in constituency. You hear that, Dark Angel? Yeah, me love me here. Say my work. Me don't know if I truth because me not around there for see. But me say chin at work, so we no can't stop. Because me say chin now, guys. I don't know. I'm going to go around. Go look when me go down. Me go around. They go do what the constituency and talk, touch base. But me say me say chin at work, me love. These people want the government to turn what? Yes, they want the Labour government, not Nablet. They want the Labour government to turn water into wine, and they want the PNP government to give them $5,000 in an orange shirt. We don't hold to the same standard, unfortunately. He's more active on social media. He is? Mr. Chinde on social media now? Me I figure, uno see him on the live, me add him to the live there. Yeah. They want Labour government to move Mountain Navlet. And all Mark Golden do, I give them $5,000 an orange shirt with $5,000 orange shirt. And that is it. Munchi, we're going to confiscate your passport. Yes, Travi. Come 2025, me not going away. Come 2025, me go have my orange shirt. I walk Central Manchester and look out for me. Come 2025, I will be walking the constituency. Yes, Travi, me go walk the constituency and go look me vote and go talk to me people in the Central because we can't vote for PNP. No more traveling for 2020. The Labour right them say, me must put on orange shirt, Mr. Petal. Jesus Christ. God forbid. God forbid, Petal, orange shirt, me say. Oh, Jesus. Annette Grant says she can't win back MP wife. What that mean? Petal, orange shirt, me say, sister. Jesus Christ. Lord God. Can you imagine me in an orange shirt, Travi? Jesus Christ. Can you imagine me in an orange shirt? Not drop down. That's why I don't like come live. Because when I come live, and if I come off the labor right, they have me lock me down and I want me come off. I can't get to enjoy my vacation in peace. So when I dip on vacation, I don't come live. Because the labor right, them always want me talk till I'm morning. And so they know me capable of. Then I ramp. But me not stay alive tonight, hours a night. Remember, me know the home, guys. I'm at people house, so me have to act with decency and decorum. You understand? Me can't spread out in a people place like this. It's very out order. So me don't want to think you can keep me up here all night. When you know me the woman me have my bell and my green shirt, me make nice all night. No, me not ring no bell. Me can't make them know so me have no bell. Me can't make them know. Yeah, hours a night. Hours a night. So I can't even add nobody to the box because when me know me add on to the box, a problem tonight. So me can't make no more nights and at 12 o'clock. Me gonna come live tomorrow. Me gonna come live tomorrow, guys, not the day. No, me not ring no bell. Oh, you know say bell they are king, me not ring no bell. No bell not ring, no box not keep. Me a come back tomorrow live in the daytime. Oh, no can get for the talking, can go on, and you can come in at the panel. Oh, this fancy charm this? Fancy charm. I no fancy charm. Alright, you have to come on if you no fancy charm. Think of fancy charm. Oh, before me left, oh, me never talk about currency. Jesus Christ, me do that cut off if me not talk about currency. Oh, currency work hard. Oh, currency work hard in our constituency. Jesus, big up currency. Merry Christmas to you, MP Currency Morrison. Big up your nice, clean self, hard working. Yeah, put in the work. On behalf of the Jamaica Labour Party, we love you, we appreciate it, we thank you for your hard work. Continue to do the work. Continue to continue to show the long time MP them all new MP work. And we sure so when the election is called, you, Madam Kerencia, will return as a member of parliament. So Madam Kerencia, big up a nice, clean, labor rights self. And we love you and we appreciate you and we thank you for your service and we thank you for your hard work and your work hard and the labor right them love you and you put in the work and young people them love you. Thank you, Kerencia Morrison, my beloved. And everybody else, we can't, I don't know, hours a night. People them going got in bed. Thank you for watching me. See you tomorrow. I'm gonna come back live tomorrow. No, me not add petal. I go talk all night. Petal, me can't add you. You go talk all night, petal. Me cannot add you. So tomorrow I'm gonna come live in the daytime, not so late. And we're gonna talk about the PNP. And we're gonna go down in it and we're gonna add people to the panel. Thank you to all the people who send me gift. And thank you to everything. You know what I'm gonna do tomorrow, guys? Tomorrow I'm gonna make somebody from every constituency come in at the box, come big up the MP. Oh, that's all. Tomorrow, I'm going to make everybody from the constituency come in at the box and come big up the MP. Because me alone not going to big up the MP because I hear some me bias. So tomorrow, everybody from the constituency, from the 49 MP, will come. What? I'm going to come on tomorrow about what time? What time for come on? Tell me what time for come on. Tell me what time. Text me and tell me. They're going to make everybody from Frank Witter, from Rhoda, from Juliet, from Wellness, from everybody come up on the big up on the MP and tell me what the MP do. Me not for the PNP, they now come up because for the MP don't do nothing. Me not for myself. Because we don't know, say the MP lazy and yam the money and everything. Munchi and meet in the airport and just give me the passport. Chavi, yes, me go show it to because it not gonna work for next year because next year a working time election to win. So anyway, guys, thank you.
Welcome, Sam.
29 somebody. And a one human being there, all of the others are robot. Somebody tap on the screen right now, make me beat him. Somebody tap on the screen right now, make me beat him. Somebody tap on the screen. Tap on the screen. Oh no. Son of a bitch.
Draw.
Jaija.
Maybe we should end the live. We do it another day. Bye-bye.
So I have a match now.
No, there's no match now. Let me go now.
See give them a come here.
Pardon? Okay, I'm coming. Bye.
So I have a match. One more.
Tired.
One more. What? Them a roll out. Where gifters them there? Where gifters them there? Where gifters them there? I final one this. Done in a style. Where me gifters them there? Thank you, my gifters. God bless you. God bless you, my gifters. God bless you. God bless you. Where gifters them there? The lady over there so say, he want gifters come ask him question. But them have to give him. On my side, the gifters them there. And me them follow. Let me see if the gifter here. Oh, you not get to follow yet. See you follow there. Anybody give me gift in the night, I get them follow. All of my gifters them. Thank you very much. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the likes. Wow. Kitchen get hot here now. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the likes. God bless you, my gifters. God bless you. God bless you, my gifter. God bless you. God bless you, my gifter. God bless you. I give you your follow. God bless you, my gifter. Lord bless you. Thank you very much. Me have some can give if you want some. Instead of you send me Koluki, me have some can give you.
You have a bad gifters. They don't want to come to my side and gift me.
Tell the gifters them. You can't tell me. I tell the gifters them to come to your side, come give you. And question you. And that you tell me gifters them about them to come over your side, come give you and question me. And question you. You think we make gifters them a sell out?
Because they're not afraid of you. They gift me and they question you. That one will work.
Give you and question you? Nah, man.
Send me the gift, but question you.
So you want to give and question? Oh, hello, gifter. That lady that sound of come over there, come give him and question him. Me would like to know what kind of question him want to know question him.
No.
When you know drama there, God bless Nally, you know comedian, God bless Nally there. Eh?
They give me the gift, but they direct the question to you.
Give you the gift and question me. I sick you in your head in a lady. A lady I must have mad post piece. If you no go over there, go give him gift for him, you no have a question, not me. So anybody go over there, go give a gift, and she you no have a question, not me. I have no question to answer for she. She have to answer her question herself. So all I no gift her, you no go over there, go give him. But ask him in question.